Hey there online shoppers, welcome to Quick Guide where we make solutions simple. Today I'll show you how you can create an AliExpress account. If you love getting amazing deals on unique products, you're just in the right place. To create an AliExpress account, firstly go to the web browser you have and then in the URL box type aliexpress.com. Once you land on the home page, then you'll see a welcome section on top of the screen. Go towards it and then click on register. Now provide your email address and then click on continue. Set a strong password which is 6 to 20 characters long and must contain numbers, letters or symbols. Hit register. Now a code will be sent to your email address, so open your email and then use the code. And there you go, your account has been set up. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found the video informative, then do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.